I used to think staying on trend means changing your wardrobe every season, but in 2025, something feels different. It is not about what is trending, it is about you, what you bring to the table. In today's video, I'll be sharing fashion trends of 2025, what's in, how to wear them, and how to bring your personal statement into it. So let's get right into today's video. A few weeks ago, I stood in front of my wardrobe, staring at a sea of clothes that somehow didn't feel like me anymore. Fashion was shifting. Louder sleeves, softer tones, chunkier shoes, and yet I found myself excited. Not because I needed a trend to tell me who to be, but because this 2025 fashion trend felt like tools to express myself even better. In 2025, drama lives in the sleeve. Big, bold, beautifully exaggerated sleeve. Whether it is bishop sleeve or a structured puff, this trend says, I have arrived. The secret is that you balance it out. If your top is loud, keep your bottoms tailored. Trend 2 is elevated denim. Denim isn't just casual anymore. Guys, when I tell you that denim isn't casual anymore, believe me, denim isn't casual anymore. This year it is a canvas, the patchwork, umbrella, pleated details, like so good. I cannot wait to get my hands on a very good denim that is trending this season. Guys, number 3 trend is earthy neutrals. 2025 says goodbye to stark black and white minimalism and welcomes colors inspired by nature. Here we can see olive green, we can see clay, we can see colors that looks like sand and rust. To be honest, wearing this feels like you're coming home. I'm totally in love with this trend because they are so natural and they are so home, they are so earthy, they are so us. To be honest, they are so us. Trend number 4 is DIY and craft core. There's something personal about wearing something handmade. I would not even lie. We can see that the crochets are trending. We can see embroidering. We can see hand beaded details. Yes, this beaded details, they are everywhere. We can see that the beading works, they are everywhere. We can see hand beaded details everywhere. They are not just clothes. For me, I feel they are not just clothes. It just feels like they are telling a story with every piece. And I totally love that we get to use our locals in making this. So this is a trend that I love so much. Crochet, embroidering, and beaded details and the likes. So guys, here are quick tips on how to wear these 2025 trends. Number 1 is that you mix trendy pieces with timeless basics. Number 2 is that you stick to 2 to 3 core colors for easy pairing, like our basic colors. Number 3 is that you accessorize with intention. Then number 4 is that you invest in quality pieces over quantity. So guys, these are my favorite fashion trends for 2025. But remember that trend come and trend goes, but style is what stays. So whether you're rocking a statement sleeve or cozying up in a craft core, the most important thing is that you feel like you. So that is all for today's video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video, and let me know which of the trends you are most excited to try. Bye.